Hi everyone, I'm Chris May with Coldwell Banker Residential Brokerage, and welcome to my latest listing here at 2005 Whippoorwill Way here in Conyers, Georgia, about 30 minutes east of downtown Atlanta. This home is located in the well-established Deerwood subdivision, which is a very clean and well-maintained subdivision with a small lake. It's located only about 15 minutes from all the shopping, dining, and entertainment of downtown Conyers, Georgia. I especially like this listing for a few reasons. If you're like me and you get tired of looking at the same old floor plans over and over, well, you'll not have that problem here. As far as we know, this is a one-of-a-kind floor plan. My seller designed this home from scratch himself, and I must say, he did a fantastic job. This home just flows extremely well, with no unusable space, and it has massive amounts of closet and storage throughout. In fact, the 5-car garage is a 4-car garage because one of the spaces was removed in order to include 6 large closets just in the garages. Let me give you the quick stats about the home and then we'll take a look at the inside. It's a 4-sided, sprawling brick ranch with almost 3,300 square feet with 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, plus a massive, and I mean massive, bonus room over the garage. And you'll find a beautiful sunroom with a large masonry fireplace all on its own, and just step out from there onto the tiled patio with outdoor kitchen and hammock. You'll love the absolutely beautifully finished real hardwood floors, heavy trim package, huge owner suite, and the kitchen has stained cabinets, granite countertops with tile backsplash, and recessed can lights, ample cabinet space, and a walk-in pantry. There's even a large unfinished space room off the bonus room to expand further or use as more storage if needed. My sellers and I even obtained a home inspection prior to this listing, and I can honestly say in my 8 years so far of real estate, this is one of the cleanest home inspections I've seen to date. This home has been absolutely meticulously maintained. We've even had the home appraised so you can be sure the price is right as well. So stick around after your tour and I'll tell you a little bit about what the local area has to offer. But for now, come on in and take a look around. So I hope you enjoyed your tour of the home. Now, this home is located about 15 minutes from all the shopping, dining, and entertainment of downtown Conyers, Georgia, which gives you access to 3 local golf clubs. The Georgia International Horse Park is just up the road about 15 minutes or so, and the historic town square of Covington, which is a great place for local dining favorites such as the Mystic Grill with its rooftop bar and dining to overlook town festivals and shows, or enjoy Scoop's Ice Cream Bar after dinner. Local Legion Field hosts music events, carnivals, and food truck Fridays. There are miles and miles of walking trails around and plenty of locally owned shopping boutiques and home goods stores to choose from. So, great home, great location. Ready to come see it in person? Or if you have any questions, please call me at 404-803-4669 or email me at chris.may@coldwellbankeratlanta.com. Are you considering selling your home? I'd love a chance to interview to be your realtor as well. My listings go on 2 local multiple listing services. They're pushed to over 725 websites, and I always use professional photos and videos just like this one on all my listings. Please check out my reviews online as well. Feel free to call or email me today. Until next time, thanks for watching.